Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam, and in this 79th video of PTC Creo Parametric. Today we will be talking about a wrap tool, and we will also talk about how it is different from project tool that we have covered in our 76th video. If you want to see how to project, then I'm gonna also add that video in the description of this one. Now let's talk about wrap. So wrap is nothing but, let's say you have created a geometry or a sketch that you would like to wrap around another geometry, which can be a 2D or it could be cylindrical or a 3D curve. So in this scenario, let's say this is the profile around which I would like to wrap this sketch. So what we can do here is we can go here in edit and then click on wrap. Now I'm going to select the sketch that I would like to wrap around, and then the software is smart enough, it automatically detected the destination. But let's say this is not the destination, you would like to select it manually, then you can click here on destination and then select the destination. That's how, guys, we can wrap our sketch around this profile. So now let me actually show this sketch that will automatically goes to hidden mode once we apply a wrap. Now if I see it from the top view, it looks like this. However, let's say if I would like to project it, project is more of, let's say the object is placed here, and then as I also explained in that video, if let's say rays of sunlight or light falling on this sketch from the top, we need to imagine how will that look like, how that shadow will look like. So now I have selected this as a sketch that I would like to project, and then I have selected this as an individual surface. Now I'm gonna give this plane as a direction reference, and you will see the difference. Okay, now let me actually again make it parallel to screen, that particular plane. Now we can see the clear difference. So this one is the project which look perfect circular from the top, because this is how the projection will look like. And here actually you can see it looks different, right? This is the project, and the inside one is the wrap, which is like we have created a flexible ring. So this will be the profile of it. However, in case of project, this is more of projecting something. So this will be the profile of projection. And then in case of project, we also saw there is one more variant of project, which is normal to surface. So the normal to surface projection will be here, and that you can also see. So this is actually the surface, and if you see like this, so that is why normal to surface came here. And let me actually delete this project. So that's how, guys, we can wrap any sketch around a surface or a quilt. And we also saw the difference between project and wrap. And I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then you can follow Engineering Pritam to follow more such engineering topics. And if you want to follow the entire PTC Creo Parametric course that we have created from very beginning, then do check out the entire playlist in the description of this video for absolutely free. And for this kind of course, you end up paying hefty amount of bucks, especially when you are learning from somebody having industrial background. Okay, so let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.